guys and everyone else. I'm a model maker and I'm doing a model making degree, but not many people know what model making actually is. And every time I explain what degree I'm doing, I have to kind of explain what model making itself is. It's a really broad discipline. So I'm here at Newblades, the end of year show for basically all of the model making degrees in the UK. I'm going to bring you through everything that model making actually represents, because my usual spiel for preempting when people are like, oh, is that making Airfix kits or Warhammer? No, no, no. Model making covers everything. Everything made, almost everything made, or the skills to make basically everything you see in the modern world. From product models, to architectural models, to monsters, to props, to special effects, to animatronics. You can see just how broad a discipline model making is by seeing how strange some of the objects side by side are here at this show.
The most common thing we get when we tell people we do model making is, oh, so you build train sets. And I just wonder how big that people think that industry is, because if there's whole degrees for it, I'm very surprised.
What's model making? So model making covers lots of different industries. So architecture, product design, film industry, TV, advertising, museums, digital work and physical work. And essentially we make anything for anything with anything. And our course, particularly in Bournemouth, is that we we make everything from clay to pixels, because one student may be making something using sculpting with traditional skills, another student might be sculpting something using a computer. And then it's basically whatever's the most efficient way to getting the end result. But everything you use in everyday life, from your car, from your phone, to toys, to everything, has at some point been prototyped or made by a model maker. And that's what's really interesting about it. So when they first start designing a car, model makers are involved. When they start doing the prototypes, model makers are involved. When you walk into a museum and you interact with something, a model maker's been involved. So it covers lots and lots of different disciplines. You use whatever material is right for the job at hand. In which case you need to know lots of different materials, lots of different processes, lots of different techniques, and that's why model makers are so employable, and they have transferable skills that go into loads of different industries.
You might recognise a good few of the things here, because everybody who is here are passionate makers. You don't do this degree unless you're a passionate maker.
Okay, so model making definitely isn't Airfix kits or like made model boats, model planes. It's not to say people don't make model boats or model planes, but it's just more than that. It's like you've got special effects, you have architectural models. It's like everything you see around you today. This is model making, and it's awesome.
So I've assumed that model making is a model recruitment agency looking for models before, and it's not that, I can tell you that for sure. Yeah, not that. Got loads of different models. We've got silicone made, hair punched, sculpted, painted. Yeah, not a recruitment agency looking for models.
So a lot of people initially think that we do modeling, like walk on runway, wear fancy clothes, modeling. We had a Facebook, well, we still have the Facebook page for our class, and we had to make it private because a bunch of models tried to join our class Facebook page. So by model making, they think we're making models of, you know, we are models. Yeah.
If you want to be technical about it, everything I've done on this channel has been model making, and everything you guys do is a form of model making. And if you ever want to do anything with the skills you learn through cosplay, with the skills you learn through making, through doing your own replicas, model making is the industry you want to aim at. And there are degrees and further education that you can seek, such as my degree at Arts University Bournemouth.